The 130-meter-long train travels at a speed of 40 km per hour. Another 90-meter-long train runs in opposite directions on parallel lanes at 32 km per hour speed. How long does it take for them to overcome each other? Option A. 10 seconds. Option B. 12 seconds. Option C. 11 seconds. Option D. None of the above. To convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, just multiply by 1000 divided by 60 into 60, that is 5 by 18. Here two trains are moving in the opposite direction, so their relative speed is the sum of the speed of the two trains. Speed of first train equals 40 km per hour. Speed of second train equals 32 km per hour. Relative speed as it is in the opposite direction equals 40 plus 32 equals 72 km per hour. Relative speed equals 72 km per hour. Converting 72 km per hour to meter per second, that is 72 km per hour equals 72 into 5 divided by 18 equals 20 meters per second. Here two trains are moving in the opposite direction. The distance traveled will be sum of length of both train. Length of first train equals 130 meters. Length of second train equals 90 meters. Distance to be traveled equals 130 plus 90 equals 220 meters. To run 220 meters equals 220 divided by 20 equals 11 meters per second. Answer, option C, 11 seconds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Maha Smart Class, for more educational videos on various subjects.